Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing something on the Blackstone Griddle. You guys are not going to want to miss this. It's going to be a French toast breakfast sandwich. Oh, you do not want to miss this. Here we go. We're going to be using is fully cooked original sausage. We're going to have some bacon in our sandwich and our French toast. So we're going to cook our bacon first because that takes time, and our sausage. French toast takes what, about 2 minutes, a minute? There's some long pieces though. So I saw this idea on Facebook, on one of those cooking videos channels, and this guy had this French toast, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna have to try this. So a couple days later, here I am, about to try it. So look at that. Go ahead and add the sausage. There we go. So, I mean, I don't know if anybody out there has ever come with the idea of a French toast breakfast sandwich. I mean, I've never seen it, I never heard of it, and then bam, there you go, breakfast sandwich. So I'm going to do our bacon first, and then let's see how we go. So what I did with the eggs, I added cinnamon on the eggs, you know, to give that cinnamon taste to them also. And this is my grill warmer. Got this at Walmart. I think it was like 20 bucks, which is not bad because it extends, so I can go this way or this way. So this is not bad. Love it. And the bread that I'm using is some normal Wonder Bread. You know, nothing fancy. None of those French toast big ones. I mean, we could if you want to. So once these are done, like I said, this thing, I can move them up here, and this is a warmer. It'll keep them warm. So that way I can start to do the rest. One of the greatest things on the Blackstone Griddle, it's the bacon. I love cooking the bacon on the Blackstone. It's just easier, you know, than doing it inside in a little pan. You do it here and it's quicker. Well, the sausage looks like it's ready, so I'm going to leave it right there. Bacon looks like it's ready. Give it a drain. And then it's right there. So I'm going to use the same oil from the bacon. Give that extra bacon taste to it. And then, just like that, good old French toast. And then I'm going to use this same egg, I'm going to cook it to add it to the sandwich. Oh yeah, there it is. Lower that temp. I'm going to lower the temperatures, but we don't need it that hot. Then we're ready to put this egg in here. Like that. Look how nice. Oh man, you can smell the cinnamon. And look how nice they look. There's the egg. French toast look like they are ready to come out. I like them just like a little bit of brown. You gotta show some love for the brown. They look great. So, put them in there. And let's go ahead and build a sandwich. There's some of the egg. We're going to do the sausage. Throw some bacon in there. Look at that. Man, doesn't that look good? And then wrap it in there. And then we're going to add honey. And we go inside. Damn, that looks good. All right, let's go inside. All right, so there you have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some honey. Well, on the video, they added honey on top, and I think that's a little too messy for me. So I figured it's better to add the honey on the bread, but on the side that's gonna go down. So, just like that. Boom, and if you want to, you can do the same on the other side. Just a little bit of honey on that one. And then, boom, there it is. So, let's give it a cut, because man, it looks good. Look at that. Ooh-wee. All right, let's taste this bad boy, because man, I'm telling you, it looks great and it smells great, and I am ready to try it because I know it's going to be good. So here we are back. This looks great. I am excited to try this because, oh wait, this looks good. Like I said, it looked good. I was like, I need to try this. I love sweet. Have some sweet on the French toast. I like how it comes with sausage. Well, the one that I see didn't have sausage, but you know me, I had to add some sausage on this. So now that I have the sausage, oh my goodness. Yes. Mmm. Mmm. Still a little messy, so just so you guys know, it's messy. No matter what you do to it, because I try to make it unmessy, but it didn't good. But damn! Let me do one more bite. Damn. This is so good. Makes you want to slap your mama. Ah! Come over it. No, I'm just kidding. Stay over there. So, make sure you guys like the video. If you guys like what you saw today, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, because there's more content coming, and you guys do not want to miss more of the great ideas that I got coming up. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.